Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how we can create a test case in Azure DevOps and how we can delete a test case. So currently if you see in my current project, the dummy project which I have created, currently I don't have any work item as a test case. I have only task, product backlog, features and epics, the one which we have provided in the last video. So you can simply click on this new work item here from here, or you can click on this plus symbol and you will get an option for new work item. You need to click on this and then you will have an option for test case. Now you need to enter the title. Let's say verify the login functionality, the application. Okay, and once you have written the strong title, okay, you can, by default this test case is assigned to the person who is creating the test cases, and then after this you can select area and iteration path. So these are nothing but basically iteration path. You can say like, so area path, let's say if you have multiple projects, you can select the projects. Like currently we are in the CI/CD project. Maybe if we have 2 or 3 projects, we can select that particular area. Okay, and then the iteration path. So in that particular project you can select the iteration path. Let's say these test cases are relevant for sprint 1, so you can select sprint 1. Later on, let's suppose in the sprint 2 again few additional functionalities are coming up and you are planning to create the test cases for those, so you can create those test cases and you can basically save those test cases in the iteration 2. Okay, so in this way you can segregate your test cases based on the sprints. Now after entering the title, after selecting the iteration path and all, you need to add the steps and the expected results corresponding to them. Okay, so let's say in life I open the application. There should be open the application, and in the next step, login page, and the login button, and then you can see like application will be direct user to login page, and then you can add your steps further on. Okay, and the most important part while creating the test case is to set the priority of the test case. Okay, so that later on you can segregate your regression test cases, smoke test, sanity test, right? So let's suppose you think that this is the most important functionality, right? So you can make it as P1. Okay, so that if you are creating a regression shoot for P1 items, this test case will be filtered out there and you can use it. So currently this test case is not automated. In the later on and in the future upcoming videos, basically I'll show you how you can automate this test case also. Okay, now this test case is not associated to any particular work items, but ideally the test cases should be linked to test case or to PBIs to maintain that traceability. Okay, so for the timing I'll be saving it like that only, and you get to see, you can see like we have one test cases now in our work items. Now I want this test case to be linked for this particular task. Okay, task which has the ID of 20. So what I'll do, I'll open this, basically this test case. I click on this add link, existing, and link type as parent. Obviously we want task to be a parent, and our test case will be a child task for it. Okay, so you save it. Now this test case has a link, basically a parent link which is a task. So in this way you can maintain the traceability. Now how we can delete a test case? Okay, so you will get to see these 3 dots. You can simply click on this and you have an option of permanent delete. So you just need to click on this. It will ask you to enter the ID of the test case, and it will also show you the ID here on the top, right? You just need to enter this ID here and click on permanent delete, and your test case will be deleted and you're not able to see the test case on the work item page. See, right? Okay, if you want you can go and check in the recycle bin. You'll get to see this test case here. So there should be one test case, the one which we have created. Let's see. Oh, that is permanently deleted. Okay, that is the reason it is not there. Eh? So if a test case is permanently deleted, you can't see it there, right? We have deleted it permanently. You can go and check in the video. Thank you. Thanks very much.